Hi guys, today we'll be learning about how we can access information regarding stocks, currencies, and different geographical locations using datasheet and Excel. Now, let's take a stock, say Reliance Industries. Okay, so now we write Reliance Industries and then we choose the cell in which we wrote the company. Go to the data tab and below it there's a stock data type option, click on it. Now we can see stock of Reliance Industries in different stock exchanges, be it New York Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, or National Stock Exchange. There, we can select, according to our choice, any one of them. Now, we go to the datasheet button on left of the company name. There, we can see different options of which type of information we want to gather or access in our Excel sheet. Now, I'll choose 52-week high, 52-week low, and number of employees in Reliance Industries.